Those birds kept trying to run off, so Nikki tied them up.
I did tie them. They were. You should have seen them run around the kitchen.
It's terrible. All right, here's what we're gonna do, and we're just kind of going by feeling here. Oh, we're ready at 350. So here's what we're gonna do. Let's start off with, let's cut a couple slices of onion.
Okay. You want onion rings or pieces?
Yeah, just cut them all across there. Just make onion rings, if you will. I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna grab your garlic here. Here's what we're gonna do. And this is a little bit of rosemary.
And that's what we grew ourselves.
A little bit of thyme.
That's fresh. I like that.
Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to take some of this onion, just in thin slices. We're going to lay this on the bottom. This is just going to add flavor. And I want these to cook on top and get nice and brown, but I want them to be very much surrounded by liquid.
Yeah.
So we're going to have a little bit of white wine. We've got the thyme, the rosemary fresh in there. A little bit of chicken broth. I want to make sure that stays in there. We've got the oven heating up to about 375 degrees.
What amounts do you put? Does it matter? Your wine and your chicken broth?
I've probably got a quarter of a cup
of wine
of each in here. I want to make sure it doesn't go dry on me.
That smells good.
Oh,
it's the wine.
Smells good. So what are we going to do to our birds? Oh, I got an idea. How about more butter?
Ooh.
So look at these little guys.
They're going to fit?
They'll fit.
Those are big. They're big.
Oh,
they're cute.
Look at there. So now, I tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to take a little bit of poultry seasoning. This is some of mine I just mixed up. It's just
perfect.
But I like to put a little smoked paprika in that.
Ooh, I like that.
A little bit of, and I didn't measure it, but some thyme. And put some
all your secret
onion
ingredients.
And garlic. And I'm just going to go ahead and
butter
put
them
some
up.
butter on there too.
They're so cute.
Oh, look at that. I had these sitting out, and I went ahead and put salt on them and in them. Kind of a dry brine, I guess you might call it. Just to have that little saltiness already going. You can get some salt from the butter. Oh, when you smell these things cooking. So what else am I going to put on this? Let's see. Let's go with a little dry thyme. Just a little bit.
The thyme smells good.
A little bit of garlic. And you can do whatever you like here. There's no particulars. Tell cherry pepper.
Always tell a cherry.
Gotta do it.
Best pepper. You can't over pepper with that, can you?
You cannot.
Not
It
with
will not
cherry.
make it hot. It'll just have that nice,
Makes it good.
sweet, peppery flavor. Smells like something Colonel Sanders might use.
I think you're right.
Don't forget, it's smoked paprika.
Makes it the best.
Kind of magic.
That is paprika.
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 When we were in Europe, and they would grow the peppers they made for paprika.
Those look pretty.
So we're going to put those in there for about an hour. You want them to be 265. Look at this. Is it not beautiful?
That was simple.
They're all scrunched in there nicely. 375 for about an hour. We're going to check them in about 40 minutes and see where we're at. All right, now we've got some carrots for sides. You know what? I'm going to put them in at that same temperature. I'm going to get them going real quick. I'm going to take a little bit of butter because we have some
Okay, we have it left.
A little bit of olive oil. And I'm going to take a little bit of parsley, a little bit of basil, a little bit of thyme, and maybe a little bit of garlic, ground garlic, a little bit of salt and pepper.
That sounds good.
And we're good to go.
I'm going to get you a dish.
Yes.
I'm ready.
Right now, let's take a little bite out of that chicken. I'll let you go first.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness. That chicken's delicious. So moist. You gotta see the moisture coming out of this. Look what happens when you just stick your fork in there. Just plenty of moisture. Now, we really tore into this guy. We didn't cut it, but look.
The skin tastes, it's delicious on the top. All your seasonings, wow. Very, very good.